What if I tell you that you can get these really cool wallpapers that are meant for your phone, or you can get these cool looking always on display for your Galaxy device? Get some control over your phone's volume control, or customize your S Pen to the level that you didn't knew it could get to. Okay, first we have a wallpaper app that contains wallpapers specifically for the S23 Ultra, centered around the punch hole, but we can also use for S23 series or Note series as well. The app is called Holepix and it's got super high resolution, very crisp wallpapers. It's also got some dynamic or animated wallpaper that look really good. It's got quite a mix of colors too. The variety is really awesome. These are the live wallpapers or the animated wallpapers and they look really good. They are of such high quality and very high refresh rate and they don't look laggy at all. Now obviously you can download them from within the app or set them as your home screen or lock screen wallpaper. Now the next thing you have to do is to take control of sound on your Galaxy device. For example, you can get yourself matching volume control depending on your system theme. So depending on your wallpaper, you can actually redesign these volume controls to just look better. And these controls provide you with more control over your music playback. You can go into the equalizer, increase the bass, reduce instrumentals, and even quick switch to another preset that's already in these controls. This app is called Sound Assistant. Again, you can find it in the Galaxy Store and it lets you control sound on your phone. You can preset the volume of every app that you use for listening to stuff. For example, for Instagram, I look at Reels and I can preset Instagram to 50. Then there's Media Manner mode. So if I switch my sound profile to mute, it will also mute my media volume. And I can even configure my volume keys to switch between the previous and next track. However, feel free to explore this app. I also have an in-depth tutorial video on Sound Assistant, so make sure to check that out too. Okay, there's no reason that the always on display on Galaxy devices shouldn't look good. You're not going to find these settings in your phone. They look so cool, so unique. They show you the time, the date, and even the music that's playing. In fact, you get AOD notification as well. The app is called Muviz Edge and it basically gives you a ton of these always on displays that you can choose from. You like something, just apply, and it's amazing that they let you make edits in terms of size and colors. So you can make something that matches your mood. Similarly, you can go into edge lights and choose from various edge lighting styles, and there are quite a lot of these. Also, you can choose from all of these color themes or let the music album cover decide the color theme. Now, if you go into My Camera settings, you will see something called Camera Assistant, and that gives you more control over how your phone takes photos. For example, if I set picture softening to medium or high, it actually improves the sharpening that the S22 Ultra applies to images. You can also get into capture speed and prioritize speed. You can even set how many photos my phone should take when a timer ends. So not just one, you could take 7 photos and have more options to choose from. There are a whole bunch of settings that you could play around with and set them based on what you think is best for you. The app is called Camera Assistant and you can get that in Galaxy Store. Just go ahead and search for Camera Assistant and that's the one from Good Lock Labs that you need. Now if you know that there is an inbuilt screen recorder in your S22 Ultra but it only records your screen up to 1080p. This is despite the fact that the screen actually has a high resolution, it's about 1440p. That's why you should get ASI screen recorder. This will record the screen of your phone at 1440p resolution, the peak resolution of your display. And that way you just get a higher quality screen recording. When you press the S Pen button and double tap on the screen, it opens up a quick note for you. But I can change that to take screenshot. So when I double tap, it will take a screenshot and let me write immediately. Or in fact, I could immediately write on the calendar with that action and not the default quick note. So it's this app called Pentastic, which again you will download from the Galaxy Store, and it basically gives you S Pen a lot of cool new options. You can change the pointer design to any of these. I mean, it could be a heart, it could be a little crocodile, it's up to you. You could choose a sound it makes when you put the S Pen back, including adding your own custom sound, and right here you can configure what your S Pen should do when you press the button and double tap on the screen. So you can actually launch any of these apps, or you could do any of these actions with the default being create node. Alright, so that's pretty much it guys. These were some apps for the Galaxy device and I thought I would share them with you and hope you enjoy your phone a little bit more. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Alright, thanks for watching guys, take care and stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.